Rated PG. Parental guidance suggested.
I am going to beat the pants off of you.
All your friends are dead. Why kill them all?
I might have another glass of champagne.
Do not underestimate him. He is a man of the highest intelligence, ruthless, ambitious.
What? I just love that kind of action.
Licked by the fiery tongues of the hot box.
Your sister's so buck-too she eats squash through a picket fence.
A family picture, rated G, all ages admitted.